Wait. Hold on, just hold on a second.
Why? We're undergoing some major digital transformations here, especially with all of our enterprise software. It all has to go.
Well, not necessarily.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying. It all has to go.
Let me ask you this. If you get a flat tire, do you go and buy a new car?
It's kind of a weird segue of a question. That's ridiculous. I'd have to research the newest cars, the trends, if they have heated seats, if they have enough trunk space.
Maybe you want tires that don't give out so soon.
Exactly. That's my biggest problem right now. The tires I've always used are constantly giving me headaches from all these unexpected maintenance repairs, the added services. Plus, the time between when I bought new tires and when I needed them again was so short, I didn't know what would happen first. I need new tires or I'd have to pump my gas, which is a problem. I think about it a lot. But hey, the rest of the car works fine.
Just hear me out. Maybe you want tires that are tailor-made for all that off-roading you like to do?
Exactly. That's all I've been wanting. That's all I need.
Wait.
We're not talking about cars anymore, are we?
Who said anything about cars?
You don't have to rip and replace the entirety of your enterprise software.
Good luck, man.
Just start where you need it most.
Okay.
At Nextworld, helping you stay ahead of what's next.